Top healthy foods with no carbs and no sugar. Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to embark on a journey through the world of nutrition, specifically focusing on a topic that's gaining increasing attention in our quest for healthier eating habits, foods that are not only delicious but also free of carbohydrates and sugar. As we delve into this fascinating realm, we'll explore top healthy fantastic options that can not only tickle your taste buds, but also help you maintain a low-carb, low-sugar diet. In our fast-paced modern world, where sugary and carb-laden temptations lurk around every corner, it can be a real challenge to maintain a diet that supports our health and well-being. Whether you're following a low-carb regimen for weight management, blood sugar control, or simply to promote overall health, these foods can be your allies in achieving your dietary goals. We'll discuss each food item in detail, providing insights into their nutritional profiles, preparation methods, and potential health benefits. It's essential to understand that while these foods are naturally low in carbs and sugar, they still play a crucial role in meeting your daily nutrient requirements, promoting satiety, and contributing to a balanced diet. But before we begin, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fantastic content. We're here to help you make informed choices and lead a healthier lifestyle. So let's get started. Top healthy foods with no carbs and no sugar. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of nutrition, especially for those seeking low-carb and low-sugar options. They are rich in high-quality protein, containing all the essential amino acids needed for muscle maintenance and growth. They are a nutrient powerhouse, packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, B vitamins, vitamin D, and essential minerals like iron, phosphorus, and zinc. Choline, found in eggs, is essential for brain health and development, making them beneficial for cognitive function. Eggs are naturally low in carbohydrates and contain no sugar, making them an excellent choice for low-carb diets. Lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs contribute to eye health, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Eggs have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels, making them suitable for diabetics. Methionine and cysteine, amino acids in eggs, support the body's detoxification processes. Research suggests that moderate egg consumption may be associated with a lower risk of stroke. Eggs are a good source of healthy fats and have been shown to improve cholesterol profiles, reducing the risk of heart disease. Adding eggs into your diet can offer a wide range of health benefits, especially if you're looking to maintain a low-carb and low-sugar eating plan. Their versatility, nutritional richness, and positive impact on various aspects of health make them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. 2. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a versatile and nutritious food that offers numerous benefits for those seeking a low-carb, no-sugar, healthy diet. It's a good source of essential nutrients, like vitamins B6 and B3, selenium, and phosphorus. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining overall health. The high protein content and essential amino acids in chicken breast are essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. Chicken breast contains essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. These amino acids support various bodily functions, including tissue repair and immune system function. Including chicken breast in your diet can help with weight management. The protein content promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Chicken breast is incredibly versatile, making it easy to incorporate into various dishes, whether you grill, bake, sauté, or boil it. There are countless ways to enjoy chicken breast without adding carbs or sugar. Protein-rich foods, like chicken breast, can boost your metabolism, helping with weight loss and energy levels. Chicken breast contains selenium, which is known for its role in supporting a healthy immune system. Incorporating chicken breast into your meals can provide a wide range of health benefits, especially when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. It's a lean, low-carb, and low-sugar protein source that can be a staple in your healthy eating plan. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is a fantastic addition to a low-carb, low-sugar diet, offering numerous health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, such as sulforaphane and quercetin, which help protect your cells from damage. The fiber in broccoli promotes a healthy digestive system and can aid in preventing constipation. Some compounds in broccoli have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. The phytonutrients in broccoli have anti-inflammatory properties that may help in managing inflammatory conditions. This cruciferous vegetable is loaded with minerals, such as potassium, calcium, and iron, which are essential for various bodily functions. Broccoli is a great source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes a feeling of fullness, and helps control blood sugar. The antioxidants in broccoli can contribute to healthy radiant skin by protecting it from damage caused by UV rays and pollution. Incorporating broccoli into your diet is easy. You can steam it, roast it, add it to salads, or use it in various recipes. It's a versatile and nutrient-dense vegetable that can be a valuable part of a healthy, low-carb, and sugar-free eating plan. 4. Avocado. Avocado is a unique and highly nutritious fruit that is rich in healthy fats and offers a plethora of benefits, making it an excellent choice for those looking for low-carb and sugar-free options. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function, and avocados are richer in potassium than bananas. Avocado has a low glycemic index, which means it has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This can be beneficial for those with diabetes. They can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients, such as vitamins A, D, and E. Avocado can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to smoothies, adding a creamy texture and a dose of nutrition to your meals. Avocado is one of the best sources of healthy monounsaturated fats, such as oleic acid. These fats can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, lower the risk of heart disease, and support overall cardiovascular health. Avocado is rich in folate, a crucial nutrient for pregnant women. Folate helps prevent birth defects and supports fetal development, making avocados a valuable addition to the diet of expectant mothers who want to limit their carb and sugar intake. Avocado provides vitamin K, a nutrient important for bone health. Adequate vitamin K intake supports bone mineralization and density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. These numerous benefits make avocados an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy diet with minimal carbs and sugar intake while reaping a variety of health advantages. 5. Spinach. Spinach is a nutritious leafy green vegetable that offers numerous health benefits, especially for those seeking low-carb and sugar-free options. Spinach is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. These nutrients are crucial for various bodily functions, such as maintaining healthy bones, skin, and immunity. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in spinach may help protect against certain types of cancer. They can neutralize harmful free radicals that can lead to cancer development. Spinach is a great source of essential minerals, such as iron, magnesium, and potassium, which are vital for various bodily functions. It contains chlorophyll, which can help the body detoxify and remove harmful toxins. Iron in spinach plays a crucial role in oxygen transport and energy production within the body. Spinach supports a healthy gut due to its fiber content and potential prebiotic effects. Some studies suggest that a high intake of certain nutrients in spinach may reduce the risk of asthma. Incorporating spinach into your diet, whether raw in salads, sautéed, or blended into smoothies, can provide you with these numerous health benefits. Just be mindful of how you prepare it, as excessive cooking can reduce some of its nutritional value. Enjoy the versatility of spinach in your low-carb, low-sugar diet for a healthier you. 6. Salmon. Salmon is a highly nutritious and delicious fish that is a popular choice for those seeking healthy foods with no carbs and no sugar. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA. These essential fats support heart health, reduce inflammation, and promote brain function. Salmon contains no sugar, making it a perfect option for those trying to avoid added sugars in their diet. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon can improve the health and appearance of your skin and hair, promoting a youthful and radiant look. DHA, one of the omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, is crucial for cognitive function and brain health, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Nutrients in salmon, including selenium and vitamin D, can bolster your immune system, helping your body defend against illnesses. Incorporating salmon into your diet is a delicious and nutritious way to reap these numerous health benefits. Whether you grill, bake, or pan-sear it, salmon can be a versatile addition to your meals, providing you with a nutrient-packed, low-carb, and sugar-free option for a healthier lifestyle. 7. Almonds. Almonds are a nutritious and versatile nut that offer a wide range of health benefits. They are an excellent choice for those looking to consume foods with no carbs and no sugar. Almonds are loaded with antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which protect your cells from oxidative damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Snacking on almonds can reduce overall calorie intake by curbing cravings for less healthy foods. Their combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats can help with weight management and feeling satisfied. Regular consumption of almonds may improve heart health by reducing bad LDL cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure. Their monounsaturated fats and other heart-healthy nutrients make almonds a key. Almonds can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes, from salads and stir-fries to desserts and smoothies. They add a satisfying crunch and a mild, nutty flavor to your meals, making it easier to stick to a low-carb, low-sugar diet. Almonds have a low glycemic index, which means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels, making them a great option for those watching their sugar intake. Incorporating almonds into your diet can provide these numerous health benefits, even in a low-carb, no-sugar context. You can enjoy them as a snack, in salads, or as almond butter to diversify your diet and take full advantage of their nutritional value. There you have it. These foods not only help in managing blood sugar levels and weight, but also provide essential nutrients, healthy fats, and numerous health advantages. Incorporating these foods into your diet can support overall well-being, making them a valuable addition to a healthy eating plan. Remember, before making any significant dietary changes or adding supplements, it's crucial to consult with a health care provider to ensure it's the right choice for you. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video if you found it helpful. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.